Hello, my legal scholars. Legal Fox here, bringing you the blunt facts, unchosen law-related cases. Today, we will weed through a case that lights up just how much mass chaos and confusion the differences in state laws regarding marijuana, THC, hemp, CBD, and other related compounds can really cause. In this two-part legal conundrum, an Oregon man faces 5 years in the slammer for simply doing his job and delivering legal farm goods using his employer's truck. And a Colorado-based company who responsibly sources hemp products and CBD products for our benefit has lost over $1 million in revenue and viable crops. So here's the deal. Colorado-based company Big Sky Scientific was receiving a shipment of hemp from Oregon. In both these states, not only is hemp legal, but marijuana is completely legal, gainfully employing hundreds of budtenders a year. The precious load of hemp was paid for and perfectly orchestrated. Well, almost. As the truck was rolling through good old Idaho, it was stopped and all 7,000 pounds of the luscious hemp were seized. The cops said that their patrol dog smelled THC, and what they were referring to is the natural small trace amounts of THC that was in the hemp. Idaho State Police are still boasting that it was the largest marijuana bust in state history. But the thing is, it wasn't marijuana. So here's a quick chemistry lesson. THC is a psychoactive chemical in marijuana, but hemp has only trace amounts less than 0.3%. Yes, I said 0.3% of THC, whereas marijuana typically has between 15 and 40%. Nonetheless, the unwitting truck driver Dennis Palamarchuk was arrested and charged with marijuana trafficking, an offense in Idaho that carries a mandatory minimum sentence of 5 years. Big Sky Scientific swiftly asked the state of Idaho to release the plants because they were perishable and quickly losing all value. They emphasized that it was industrial hemp, not marijuana. In response, Ada County prosecutors claimed that industrial hemp is still illegal under their law, regardless of the 2018 federal farm bill. Then, Big Sky Scientific sparked up a lawsuit asking a judge to order the state to release the crops. This was denied and is on appeal. The driver defendant, Dennis, is scheduled for arraignment later this month. We're sending you good vibes, Dennis. We hope the case against you goes up in smoke. But seeing the mass confusion that this case has caused, it's now introduced a bill to legalize hemp. Smokable medical marijuana just became legal in Florida, and the first drive-through medical dispensary opened its window recently. And many popular cannabis health centers with certified doctors are sprouting up. Reputable places like this are where you go to see if you qualify for a medical marijuana use card. 33 states have laws on the books legalizing marijuana in some form, and 10 of those states legalized recreational use marijuana. Still, other states decriminalized possession under a specified amount. There are more and more rules in place legalizing marijuana and its derivatives, but marijuana is still technically illegal under federal law, so things remain a bit hazy. While we can certainly give props to lawmakers for catching up with public demand, there are still some burning holes in the law. To stay on top of this and other updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you ring the bell to get notifications when we release those updates. There'll be more updates in a lickety-split. Goodbye for now, my legal scholars. Legalized Fox signing off.